Loop recording in Logic Pro is a fast way to capture multiple takes without stopping playback. Instead of recording once and stopping, Logic continuously records every pass of a selected section, creating multiple takes automatically. This is especially useful for vocals, guitar, and other audio performances where you want to stay in the flow. To use loop recording, first set the cycle range in the timeline. Then make sure cycle mode is on. When you press record, Logic will loop that section and record a new take each time it passes. For audio tracks, each pass is stored as a take folder. You can open it, listen back, and comp together the best parts into a single performance. Loop recording isn't about perfection on the first try. It's about capturing feel and giving yourself options. Record freely, then decide later what works best. Used properly, loop recording speeds up sessions and leads to better performances with less pressure.